Okay, um, now we're just going to go through the bookmark functionality that we've built into the map. So if I go all the way out here, for example, I can see, I've got two locations here. One in San Diego, one off the coast of Africa. Um, And what you want to be able to do is sometimes you have very specific points of interest or locations that you want to be able to just zoom to straight away. So instead of having to, roll the mouse wheel or click the plus or minus here, you just want to be able to jump through it straight away. So we've built in this bookmark feature into the map, and you can access it here. So there's a star right beside the search box. There's a little star icon. Clicking that drops down the bookmark panel. And you can see I've already got 4 bookmarks created here. So if I click on the top one here, it brings me into San Diego. Okay. Got one here for the downtown loop, which sounds like a more specific location. And that brings me to the downtown loop. Now, I'm going to create a new bookmark. Let's say I'm interested in the depot. Where's the depot? Where are all these trains? I see here 78 of them. This is probably the depot. So if I zoom in, I see a lot of lines coming in here. So this looks like a depot. Let me just check on the satellite imagery. Yeah, you can see them all queued up there. So this is where they all are. It's pretty early in the morning in San Diego, so they're probably all waiting to go out. I'm going to just change it again back to Street View. I'm going to create a bookmark now for the depot. Here we go. And correct. Okay. So now my depot shows up and I can jump to it. So if I go out to San Diego and back to my depot. There you go. So I've got a nice handy bookmark for the depot now. You can edit bookmarks. Let's say I make a mistake. I want to change the name. Let me see, actually, sorry. I'm just going to see here. This looks like this is Imperial Valley. It's a particular depot. I'm just going to maybe change the name of the depot. I'm just going to say IMP. Correct. So you can edit the name of your depot. You can also edit so let's say I'm not quite happy with this because I'm zoomed in a bit too far. So if I go out to San Diego, back to the depot again, I think I'm zoomed in a bit too far. So maybe I want to just zoom one level out. I think that's a better shot of the depot. I go in, I click the pencil, and I click the correct. Okay, now I've saved the new depot, the new zoom level for the depot. Okay, so you can see that. So you can, after you create a depot, you can edit it by just readjusting the zoom level or the position. Going in here, selecting the pencil and selecting the tick, then to say you're happy with it. Okay, that's how you edit a depot. You can also delete them. I'm gonna create one there for Petco Park very quickly. Correct. Right. There's my depot. Go to the depot in Imperial Valley. I can also jump to Petco Park. However, now I'm just going to delete this. So there's a little trash can bin there. Select that. And now I've my Petco Park bookmark is gone. So that's a walkthrough how to use existing bookmarks, how to create new ones, how to edit existing ones, and also how to delete ones that you no longer need. You can create as many bookmarks as you wish, whatever's useful to you. You can create as many as you want. Okay, right, that's bookmarks.